Here we've got Apple iPhone SE from 2022, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer. So first of all, you need to open your camera app, which is located right here. And now smoothly tap on more, select timer icon and pick 3 or 10 seconds delay. Now you can grab a picture and the delay would be applied. So that's it. To switch it off, just mark off, and now you can take a picture with no delay. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.